Igbe.
Wow. I just came back, man. From Papi. Yeah. If you are seeing me for the first time, I must also see you for the first time too. If you don't know me, I don't know you. Just people I agree to. One of my colleagues now come up the shout abroad. You know, allow me hear word for backstage. Not be every country go travel go. So be you know what allows hear word abroad. Which abroad? Who abroad help? My uncle, what come back from Hungary. Hungary now they beat her now. One of my uncle don't know, he didn't know way now, no way. He won't go abroad, He didn't know way now, 5 years now, no way for him. Stay in your country. This country go favor everybody. If you know what you go do, this country go favor you. Me, I don't go any place. Ladies and gentlemen, if you love this country, please put your hands together for Nigeria. I love this country. Now here they bomb me. Even though I travel, come back. Now here I go die put. Only be say sometimes our leader they deceive us. During the election, they passed one bill for National Assembly. Not too young to run. Not too young to run. Now so small boys they go contest 28 years, 30 years. My uncle, why be saying only 5 million naira a day he account. 32 years, he go contest election, he lose. Today, he don't run mad. Not too young to run, no, not too young to run. He don't run mad now. Now share we share now so. But they pass law. During the election, some people they confused. See campaign. One guy wear PDP trouser, APC polo, Abga cap. Now so guy which party belong? Say bros, Abia Neko. Last month, federal government come as I say, Obasa your comment cause the country depression. I know say this country after depression Una pray for Nigeria. We no go here for CNN say we are very sorry. One of the African countries they were depressed last week. We just lost an African country, Nigeria. They commit suicide. I beg. Una see Abuja, very quiet place. Where I come from is so concert only. Now would they fight war? What it cause the work? Now juju. They say our community juju, go give another community juju belle. Now they drag the children. Juju children now they cause quarrel now. Fight for no reason. Juju children. Not anybody know juju deceive you. Nobody should threaten with juju. Now those are going to threaten us. Ogu kill you. Ailala kill you. All those things not they work. During December, I see Ogu for beneath for God is good motto. If they would the price, say Port Harcourt 35 how? Another problem here now. Ladies and gentlemen, nobody should deceive in this country. That's why they tell people. If you they fly, whether it's John Air Force, you be pilot or fly. For Benin, we fly on our own. Fly now, fly. Now you're on the waste transport now. Dana Air Peace, Aero. On the waste transport, Benin, we fly on our own. Edo Airways. Which day, I walk up back to Abuja. They said the last flight, Air Peace, 42,000. As I they complain, the flight don't move. One woman come meet me. He said, my son, where you they go? I said, Abuja. How much I tell you? I said, 42,000. Say, my son, give me 2.5. We go fly. Have you seen a joke? Sure. I will pay the woman 5,000. I said, madam, we're on the airport. Say, under that tree. 8 p.m. we never fly. 9 p.m. we never fly. I said, madam, where the flight? He said, wait. 12 a.m. Say, my son, I don't reach you. Where the flight? He said, turn my back. I clap the woman back. Boom! Now we fly. As we reach one place, now see you Shomole. I see no my former governor be this. He said that one. Now business starts in this. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. My name is Bruno.
Igbe.